Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best 13-inch storage cube on the market, the NEATERIZE fabric storage cubes. Whether you're organizing your closet, setting up a kid's playroom, or just trying to bring order to your space, this 8-pack of heavy-duty storage bins might just be the ultimate solution you've been looking for. First off, let's talk about the basics. Each cube measures a full 13 inches in length, width, and height. That's a generous amount of storage for clothes, books, toys, office supplies, or just about anything you want to neatly tuck away. The design is simple, modern, and clean, in a stylish gray color that easily blends into most home decor styles. Now, what really sets these storage cubes apart is their superior sturdy design. NEATERIZE doesn't just make collapsible bins. They make bins that actually hold their shape and can take a bit of a beating. Each cube is crafted from high-quality fabric, and they've reinforced the handles on both sides. That means no more tearing or fraying when you pull the bin from a shelf. The structure holds up even when it's filled with heavier items, and that's a big win for durability. Another standout feature is how versatile they are. These aren't just for closets. You can use them in cube organizers, cubbies, wardrobes, or even as standalone baskets for open shelving. They're a hit in nurseries, laundry rooms, offices, and playrooms because they just work. They make organization both functional and visually appealing. And when you're not using them, they collapse completely flat. So if you ever need to free up space or reorganize, you can simply fold them down and store them without cluttering your home. What's even more impressive is the consistency across all 8 bins in the pack. There's no warping, no size irregularities. Each bin feels thoughtfully made, which is rare at this price point. For people who want order, symmetry, and aesthetics in their organizing game, that level of consistency is essential. Let's not forget ease of use. Pull handles make them incredibly practical, especially for kids or anyone who needs quick access to their belongings. And because they're fabric, there's no risk of cracking, breaking, or making that awful scraping noise that comes with some plastic containers. To wrap it all up, the NEATERIZE 13-inch fabric storage cubes offer a blend of size, strength, versatility, and aesthetic appeal that's hard to beat. Whether you're decluttering your wardrobe, organizing a child's bedroom, or setting up a sleek home office, these bins deliver. They're easy to store, stylish to display, and durable enough for everyday use. If you're ready to bring function and form together in your organizing setup, this might be the product to grab. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the link if you're interested. We'll catch you next time with more no-nonsense reviews that help you buy smart.